Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to customize BuddyPress all emails in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to edit text in BuddyPress emails. So we are using BuddyPress plugin. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see emails and then you see all emails, so click on it. So we are in BuddyPress email section. Now you see we have 25 emails. You have unread message, reset your account password. So this is our email subject, membership, request for group. Your request to join has been declined. Site name you see, would like to join, has invited you to join. So this is a site name. So click on edit any. So you can customize all emails according to requirement. Now you see activate your account email, welcome email, verify your new email address email. Now you see all emails, so you can edit according to requirement. Now go to email, your request to join website has been declined. So this is the email format. Sorry, your request to join the site has been declined. So you can add same text here. Now you see most email clients support HTML email. However, some people prefer to receive plain text email. So you can add same text here. So both format is same. Now you see, again you see. So we added text in both location is same. And then you see situation or this email sent to user. A site membership request has been rejected. So when this scenario occur, when this situation occur, then this email sent to user. Now you see a lot of situation we have. Now go to another email. Now you see situation, a site membership request has been rejected. Open another. So this is our activate your account. Now you see situation, recipient as registered for an account. When someone create an account, so this scenario occur and then this email sent to user. Now you see, thanks for registering to complete the activation of your account. When you add or edit email in this section, so add here also same. Now you see, so after editing email template, then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.